Well, there you go. First bird in the bird bath. It's not finished. I've just put it on the plinth, filled it full of water because we're expecting big winds. It's windy now, big winds and rain this afternoon, so I want it weighted down. So tomorrow I will empty it, paint it, get the stones, sort out some kind of structure in there. But listen, it's that big. I think it might end up tidal. It's huge. Well, I've painted the bird bath this morning. I've put some rocks in it and I've put some small stone in it, but I'm going to have to put some more small stone in it. But this is from the balcony on the centre rock, and I've also bolted onto the back lip a perch so the birds can land on it and have a look before they go down to one of the stones and then go into the water. But I can't put any water in yet until I make it shallower, otherwise they will be in jeopardy. Well, that's focusing on the gravel in the foreground, so that is the area that I really want the birds to be bathing in, or otherwise I'm going to have to raise the camera up. Well, that's the full height of the camera on the tripod, so we'll see how we go on. I mean, it's we'll see. I might have to rethink this and take it down to the ground, and I'm shooting inside the disc and not across it. We will see when I get some more stone and when I get some water in there. Well, there we are. I have washed the gravel, but as it is straight from the crush, it does get dusty, so it's a little bit milky at the moment, but that will settle down. So back on the balcony, and full height tripod, and we're almost good to go. So what I've done, I've put the shallow section on this half of the disc and slightly deeper on the back half. So I'm trying to encourage the birds to use this half of the dish, and we'll just see. It took 6 months for them to get used to the little one, and this may just well take another 6 months. We will see. There's zoomed out, so I've got the full bath on there and the perch. So they should drop to the perch and have a look around and decide it's safe, and then drop to one of the stones. Then they have another look around and decide it's safe, and my little Robin has just gone on the old bird bath. He's dotted about under the new one, so it's not faze him. He's right underneath the shade of it, but as I said, it could take absolute months before they get anywhere near bathing in it. We will see, said the Zen master.